In the future, I'd like to see us go down 3 paths, which we're currently going down 2. Organizational training is really taking off with our nonprofits in through our school district program, with manufacturing companies. Alongside with that, the second function is the process engineering and development that we're doing. But in the future, the third leg is going to be making value-added component parts for companies using high-functioning individuals that can serve a very great and needed place of employment for us. So really, the future of RB Sigma will involve another facility where we're doing training, we're doing engineering, and we're doing manufacturing.